Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to your business leads. So today our objective is that whenever we get a new Facebook leads on our Facebook lead ads, we want to send an automated message on WhatsApp by using Wati to that particular user. For that, we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Wati. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use Trigger and Action. In Trigger application, we are going to use Facebook lead ads. In Action application, we are going to use Wati. So how I'm going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and this is my Facebook page for my business, and I'm also getting a lot of leads for my business through the ad that I have posted on my page. Now what I want is, I want to send an automated message to my leads on WhatsApp, and I want this to happen automatically so that it will save my time and energy. And I will also get connected with my lead. So for sending this message, I'm going to use Wati, which is a powerful tool that allows businesses to send and receive messages on WhatsApp, automate customer communication, and build customer integration. So for sending these messages, I need to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Wati. For creating this integration, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. For that, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here I have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will see this page. Here, these are all the tools that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder from here, and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow, so I will name it as my objective, which is to send automated WhatsApp message to your business leads. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow in, which is home. So I'm going to click on create. And it will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger will be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to set up our trigger, and our trigger application here will be Facebook lead ads. So I will search for that. I will click here. Now I have to give a trigger event. So I will open this, and new lead instant will be my trigger event. Now I have to connect my Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I will click here. I'll click on add new connection, connect with Facebook lead ads, and I will click on continue. So my connection is successful, and here we have these two details, page and lead gen form. Now let's go back to my Facebook page, and the name of my page is Dining Delights. And for the lead gen form, I will open this. I will go to Meta Business Suite. I will click on all tools, and here I will find this instant forms. And this is the form that I'm going to use, which is lead form. And this is how my form looks like. We have these details here, first name, last name, email, phone number, and city. So I'm going to close this. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. I'm going to map all these details here. So the page is Dining Delights, and the lead gen form we are going to use is lead form. And here it says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send as Required button, you will need to generate a sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So what I need to do is, I will click on Save and Send as Required button. So for getting this webhook response, I need to make a sample submission. So for that, we are going to use Meta for Developer. Let me take you to Meta for Developer. Here I'm going to click on My Apps. I'll go to Tools. And here I will find this Lead Ads RTU debug tool. I will open this. And now we have page and form here. So I'm going to map my page here, which is Dining Delights. and the form is lead form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill dummy details here in my form, and for that I will preview my form. So this is how my form looks like, and I'm going to fill dummy details here. So my first name will be demo, last name will be user, and email will be damouser@pablitudes.com, and the random phone number will be, so this will be my random phone number, and I will give a city as Indore. So I'm going to click on next and I will submit this. So now my form is submitted and I have generated this lead. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in the response we have these details. So the first name is demo, last name is user, and the email is damouser@pablitudes.com, and this is the random phone number. And what we need to do is we need to send an automated message on WhatsApp to this particular user. So for that we will set up my action, and I will open this, and my action application will be Vati. So I will search for that. I'll click here and I will give an action event. So my action event will be send template message, and I will connect my Vati account with Pabbly Connect. I click on add new connection, and to connect Vati I have to give this API endpoint and access token. I will find these in the API docs. So let's go to Vati, and here I will go to API docs, and here I have access token and API endpoint. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will paste that access token here. Now I will go back to Vati and I will copy this API endpoint. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I will paste that here. Now I will click on save. So I have connected Vati and Pabbly Connect together. Now I have these details here: WhatsApp number, template, broadcast name, and custom params. So I have to map all these details here, and I'm going to use mapping here. So mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data we are getting is changing. So this data will get replaced with the new data in real time. So first I have to map the WhatsApp number. So in the WhatsApp number, I have to give the number on which I have to send the message. So for mapping, I will click here and I will open this response, and I will select the number on which I have to send this WhatsApp message to. So this is my number. So I have mapped the WhatsApp number. Now I have to select my template. For this, let's go to Vati. Now I will go to templates. And here we are going to use this template, which is lead response. So I'm going to open this. So the name of my template is lead response, category is marketing, and the language we are using is English. Here, this is the broadcast title and we are using none. And this is the body of my template. So here it is, hello, and the name is the variable. We are glad to receive your response. Our team is soon going to connect with you on the contact details given by you. Thank you, Pabbly team. So this is the body of my template. So we are going to map all these details in my Pabbly Connect. So I will close this. I will go to Pabbly Connect. So my template is lead response. So this is already selected. And the broadcast name on my template was none. So I'm going to simply type none here. Now I have custom params here. And this is an important step for me. So I want to avoid mistakes here. So for custom params, we need custom params in this format. So I will simply copy this and I will paste it here. And we used custom params in name value pair. In my template, I only have one variable, which is name. So here I'm going to put name. And in the value, I will map the name. So for that, I will open this, and the first name, I will give a space, and the last name. So this is my custom param, and you can add another parameters by just giving a simple comma. And these are the details that I have filled. So this is the WhatsApp number, this is my template, and the broadcast name is none, and this is the custom param. And I'm going to change the name of the lead all the time in my messages. So I have used this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save and send test request button. So here we can see we have this response. So in the parameters, we have the name, and the value is demo user, which is the name that we have mapped. And the template name is lead response. And we have this contact ID. So this means that we have sent a message on WhatsApp. Now to check this, let's go back to WhatsApp. And here we can see we have received this new message here, which is, hello demo user, we are glad to receive your response. Our team is soon going to connect with you on the contact details given by you. Thank you, Pabbly team. So this is the message that we have on our template, and we have just received this message. So our workflow is working successfully, and we have created this integration between Vati and Facebook lead ads. So now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and let's summarize what we did here. First, we have set up our trigger, and our trigger application here was Facebook lead ads, and our trigger event was new lead instant. Then we have set up our action, and our action application was Vati, and our action event was send template message. So this is how I've successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I will also put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. Thank you. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.